Over here, we call it trainers. In America and in the Caribbean, they call it sneakers. Trainers, sneakers, whichever. This one is made out of bread. Bread, people. So what kind of name we're going to give this a 1 year? We have to give this one a designer name, right? So far, these are the names I've been able to come up with. Breaders, night bread, bready Nike, loafers, ofters, Hardo Nike, East Nike, Nike East, Brother Fed Nike, Loafers Boaters. What brand is this? What's the name of these shoes? Some people are calling it the Loafers. Some people are calling it the Mofters. Some people are calling it blended together, the Loafers with the Mosters. It's got a designer thing on it. So you could call it Bready Nike, Night Bread, Breaders. I seriously don't know the amount of names that you could name the shoes is beyond me. So feel free to put your name and your brand in the comment box below. What would you call this pair of shoes? I've already called it Loafers with the Mosters for 2000ers. That's the name I have given these shoes, right? So have a good look at these shoes here and let me know what name you would call it. Also let me know in the comment box below if you would wear these shoes. If somebody pay you £2 million or dollars, would you wear it? Would I wear it? That's something I have to think about.